We just got two major updates for the Nothing Phone 2a coming out later this year. The first one coming from Nothing themselves. Last week, Nothing came out with an announcement of the processor that's going to be running in the 2a. Specifically, it's going to be the MediaTek Dimensity 7200. But according to them, this is going to be a special version of the 7200 called the 7200 Pro, and it's going to be specially made for the 2a. Even though it's expected to have basically the same processing speeds, it's also going to have an up to 10% better battery efficiency. In addition to this, it's also going to provide a couple of extra special features. First one is called RAM Booster, and it's basically going to be designed to allocate a portion of your storage as extra RAM. So while the Phone 2a is expected to have about 12 gigabytes of RAM, the RAM Booster should allocate about 8 gigabytes of your storage to give the phone a total of 20 gigabytes of RAM. The other is called Smart Clean, and it's going to be designed to clean up your storage every 1 to 2 days to keep your storage speeds at their maximum capacity. According to Nothing, this is basically going to let your phone run just as well 3 years from now as it does on day one. So it'll be interesting to see how that comes out. But that's just one of the updates we got. We also got another update from a leaker known as OnLeaks, and he published some renders of what the Nothing Phone 2a is going to look like. Now, not too long ago, he did publish some renders for these that did turn out to be a bit inaccurate. The original versions didn't show the glyph system that's kind of become synonymous with the Nothing phone lineup, but these new updated renders do show the overall design in a bit more accurate fashion. If everything goes well, we should be seeing it later this year and possibly even next month for a release price of about 350 euros or about 350 to 400 US dollars. If you're excited about this and you want to hear more of the details, then I actually share the details in this video right here, so be sure to go check that out next, and I'll see you over there. Adios.